No wood yet.
Look at this big stick. Perfect.
Keep chopping it down. Ooh, I got a stick. That was good. I'll keep it. Ooh. Got some wet wood. There you go.
Not me.
Ugh.
It's our shelter.
Ugh. Hopefully I get some more wood for a crafting table. Ugh. I'm gonna use my shirt part of my axe. Let's go digging. All there is dirt and rocks. Let's use the other side. This is really hard. I can't find no iron. Ugh.
Guys, can I play something? You guys?
Oh,
Can we
Sophia joined the game. Hello, Sophia. Would you like an axe?
Sam, can we play? And then can you be a bad guy? She be a bad guy.
No, I'm doing a video here.
Okay, after can I have that kingdom?
Would you like to be in my Minecraft world?
No, I want to be in my Minecraft house.
Alright. Whatever. I'm over here digging, and she's over there with her mansion.
My house.
Right over there. Look at her mansion. She's got a slide and everything. Get back to working. I'm digging. Ugh. All I'm finding is rocks. This is very hard. Let's see if I can do anything with my... What? Oh. I'm gonna try to make a fire. Let's go get some more sticks.
Guys, I can't leave my kingdom, so...
Alright, stop showing off with your kingdom over there, Miss Sophia. Oh no! It broke. Good thing I have 5 more of these. These are good sticks. There we go. We got halfway to a fire. Maybe I could just rip it off of my...
Hey there!
You got your bouncy house. While I'm over here busting my butt for wood. Alright, so let's put that through there and crack. Yeah. No, not that one. There we go. Crack! There we go. Got another piece from the fire. Let's keep digging. I'm missing some. Let's dig for... No, there's no... I'm getting really hungry now. There's no food over there that way. That just ends at the end of the room. Looks like people have made a crossing bench before and they look behind a stick. Can I make anything with these two sticks together? Can I make a little campfire? Let's creep off some of this stick. Sophia, you want to help me? Hold down the stick.
Hold down it.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
No, like this.
Ah!
I'm not gonna poke you.
Ah!
This wooden sword slash axe slash shovel does 5 attack damage. So if I hit you with this, it's gonna hurt. I'm just gonna go back to taking off my sword. Cutting my tree down.
Dude, this is also my car.
Oh, that hurt.
Are you okay?
I took damage by my own wood sword. Here we go. Look at all this wood there.
That's gonna break, you know.
Let me smash that glass.
Is that glass?
No, that glass.
Okay.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
I don't want to do it. I might get in trouble.
Yeah, you might. I want to get honey. The honey. Is that honey?
No, that's wood. That's wet wood.
Wet wood? Ew. Ew.
Priscilla, you're the camera girl. Look at that. It's gonna be hard. Move, Sophia.
If you get a wood, give me wood. I'll break wood. Oh, wood. Don't take his wood.
You're taking my wood. You robber. Okay, you're okay, you're okay.
But at least I have another one with you.
Give me it. Alright, so.
Bring the garbage can outside. Put the down.
Alright.